Orillia is a unique blend of city life and natural beauty, making proper waste management a top priority. From homeowners to business owners, everyone needs the right tools to handle their trash efficiently. Big Yellow Bins recognizes the diverse waste management needs in Orillia and is here to provide tailored solutions for every project, big or small. Improper waste disposal can have detrimental effects on nature, and we certainly don't want that for Orillia. Every day, Big Yellow Bins works diligently to ensure that waste is handled in a way that safeguards Orillia's parks, lakes, and streets. We're dedicated to keeping these natural areas safe, clean, and free from the harm that can come from mishandled waste. Similar to our practices in Barrie, we believe in clear and honest pricing. At Big Yellow Bins, you can expect transparent details on dumpster rental costs, ensuring that you know exactly what you're paying for without any hidden fees. Just as in Barrie, we take our responsibility seriously in Orillia, adhering to the highest waste management standards. Our services comply with all dumpster rental regulations in Orillia, reflecting our dedication to providing top-notch and legally sound waste management. Recognizing the diverse needs of our customers, Big Yellow Bins offers customized dumpster rental options in Orillia. Safety is paramount, and our team follows strict safety protocols, ensuring a worry-free rental experience for our customers. In summary, Big Yellow Bins is your trusted partner in Orillia, offering reliable, eco-friendly, and cost-effective waste management solutions. Whether you're working on a small home project or a large-scale construction job, we've got you covered. Join us in keeping Orillia clean, green, and thriving.